Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to apply mascara correctly. There are some common mistakes people make while applying a mascara. In this video I will share all tips and tricks with you so you can perfect your mascara application. Applying mascara in this way, your lashes will look fuller and more natural. These techniques help separate each lash and giving them a lifted, voluminous effect without look clumsy. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. We often apply a mascara quickly, especially when we are in a rush, which can lead to a messy application. So you usually apply mascara in a very basic way, but today I will show you some different techniques. Applying mascara like this not looks so good on the eyes. It looks so clumsy and messy. So here is the technique. Start by removing any excess product from the mascara wand, as having too much on the wand can cause clumps. This is a simple step can make a big difference in getting a smooth and even application. Make sure to curl your lashes before applying a mascara, as this gives them a more lifted look. I have already curled my lashes. Yeah, firstly apply mascara to the back side of your lashes, coating them from root to tip. Once you have done this, apply mascara from the front side as well. This technique adds extra volume and ensure each lash is fully coated for a more dramatic look. Use your finger to gently press and lift your lashes from below and holding them in place for a few seconds. This will give them a slight curl and make your eyes appear beautiful. Now to remove any mascara that has smudged, you don't need any type of a liquid remover or a makeup remover. Just take a cotton swab, and once your mascara is completely dry, use a cotton swab to gently remove any smudge mascara. Once you have carefully removed this much mascara with the cotton swab, finally use your finger to curl your eyelashes. Avoid using an eyelash curler, it can cause your lashes to break. And here you can see the difference in both of my eyes. On one side my lashes look more lifted and natural, while on the other side, where I applied mascara in the regular way, my lashes don't appear as much as lifted. By applying mascara in this way, you will notice that you won't need to use any fake lashes. With just mascara, you can make your eye look attractive and wide open. If your mascara is dry, you might face some difficulty in creating this look. Make sure your mascara is not too dry, because in that case, you will need to use the spoolie to separate your lashes, ensuring you get the natural look. If you don't have enough time, you can apply mascara in a normal way. But if you have the time, make sure to apply mascara this way. With regular practice, you will able to apply mascara in no time. In this video, you will see the difference between both of my eyes. I hope you liked the video and that it was helpful to you in the some way. If you have any questions or anything you had like to ask, feel free to leave a comments and I will make sure to reply. If you had like me to make a tutorial and need other types of video, you can let me know in the comments and I definitely make it for the next video. Until then, bye bye, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to watch videos on eye looks, and you can check out my playlist. In it you will find videos on makeup and creating eye looks, lip combos, and a hairstyle tutorial as well.